So now let's see how we can use the inner glow option inside of Pixlr E. So to use the inner glow option, I'm going to go around into filter, and over here inner glow is what you can see as an option. Once I click on it, you can see that you got the inner glow option right here, which adds in a border right here. You can increase the size right here, which increases the border, and you can also increase out the feather so it looks like a glowing picture, as you can see. You can increase and decrease the opacity of the border as well. Increase the size, and that is how it actually works out. You can go around over here onto the color right here. You can select the color around as well and press OK, and that is how it actually looks. You can decrease the opacity, and that is how the glow actually looks out. You can apply, and this is what you have. You can go around and add in multiple inner glows as well by going into, let's say for example, on the filter, add in another inner glow, and there you go. There's another inner glow that's being applied right here. You can increase and decrease the feather and then work around with this and then choose another color as per what you want. Let's say for example this one, press OK, and this is what you have. You can increase and decrease the opacity just like this. And that is how you can work around with the inner glow to add in an interesting effect onto the pictures inside of Pixlr E. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.